Hey, Steckle Stars, welcome to week 19 of computer class, STEM class. This week's topic is still Google Docs, but now we're going to learn something new. That is something called tables. Tables help us organize things like pictures and words on our document. So let's get right to it. I'm going to switch to a blank Google document here so I can show you how to make a table. It's pretty simple. Let's get to the buttons. We're going to insert a table right up here with the menu called Insert. When I click on that, the second choice right here is the word table. Now, once I put my mouse on that choice, on another little menu pops up right next to it. And you can see at the bottom, it says 1 times 1, like a math problem. And then there's one little blue square that's highlighted. So that's not a math problem. That tells you how many columns and rows you have in your table right now. Well, we want more than one. So I'm going to bring my mouse over here and slide it. Now I have 2 times 1. I can come across and I can have many more. I'm going to make mine have a 2 for the columns, but also move down 1 row and add another row. So now I have 2 columns, that's up and down, and 2 rows, that's sideways. Now I just click my mouse. And there it is. My table is done. So I have 1 column, one column over here, and 1 column on the other side. Oh, I didn't want to do that. Let's try that again. 1 column here, and 1 column here, 1 row here, and 1 row here. 2 columns, 2 rows. Now, the little boxes that we make in a table have a name. I'm going to make my size larger there so you can see it. Each of these boxes is called a cell, C-E-L-L. Okay, so if I say to you, put something in this cell, I mean in the little box. All right, so let's get rid of that. Now, first thing we're going to do is we're going to put pictures inside the cell. The 2 top cells, in the first row here, we're going to have a picture in each side. You choose by clicking inside the cell. So when I click in here, that's where the picture will go. To get a picture, the procedure is just like we did last week. Find the button here with the mountains inside the square and click on it and click Search the Web. Now I'm going to come over here and I'm going to type in something I'm looking for, like, let's see, Porsche 911. There it is, Porsche 911. Now I have lots of choices. Let's see which one I want. Ooh, I think I'll take that one. Click on it, click Insert, wait a couple of seconds, and there it is. So I have first one all set to go. Now I'm going to click in the second cell of the same row. Go back to the picture button, search the web, and this time I'll find a McLaren. There we go, McLaren Artura. See if I can find one. That's not very good. Let's just find McLaren. Well, that wasn't very good either. How about a McLaren P1? Maybe I can find that. There's one. 720S. There we go. There we go. Let's click this one and insert. All righty. Now I have 2 pictures in the top row. The bottom row is still empty. We're going to put words in there. I'm going to put the names of the cars inside there. In order to do that, first thing I want to do is I want to move this little cursor to the center so that my words are in the middle of the cell. To do that, I use these buttons right up here. Click on the one that says center right there. And then I just type 911. Click over here. That's a McLaren. First I have to move it to the center. Okay. I think it's a 720. 720S actually. Okay, so there we go. Now I have 2 pictures, and each of them has a caption underneath with the name of the car. Helps us line things up nicely. Now, the other thing we can do is decorate our table a little bit. Every table has these lines, and that's called the table border. And we can change the color of them very quickly by just clicking inside here. I clicked inside the cell where it says Porsche 911, and I'm only going to change the color around the words. So that's why I clicked inside here. Now, way up here, a bunch of buttons showed up. This one, the pencil, will change the color of the border. So let's go click on purple, whatever color that is. Now you can see it's purple. Now it's kind of skinny, it's hard to see. So right next to that, there's another button that lets me make them thicker. And there we go. Now I'm going to click inside this one. Should pick a different color. Since that car is orange, maybe I'll pick something that sort of looks orange. Maybe, I don't know, is that orange? I guess so. And then we'll make it nice and thick. All right. So I can also put color inside here. So if I click inside there and come up to the bucket, I can pick a really light color, maybe like that. Same here, click inside, go up to the bucket. Let's see, how about that one? And it kind of makes it look pretty. So that's all there is to making a table. Now I'm going to take a look at the assignment for today. I'm going to come back to Google Classroom. To get to the assignment, we're going to click right here where it says Google Docs Table Assignment and click on this button to open the assignment. That will bring you to this. Here are the tasks for the assignment. 1, you're going to create a table with 2 columns and 2 rows, 2 times 2, just like I did in my example. Second thing, you're going to put a picture in at least one cell. You can put pictures in both like I did, but you have to do at least one picture for the assignment. So I know that you know how to do it. 3, you're going to type some text underneath here. And then finally, you're going to click inside the cell and change the color of the border, just like I did in the example. When you're done with that, make sure that you click the Turn In button. Now, I don't have it, of course, because I'm a teacher. You'll have a Turn In button right up there. And guess what, guys? That's it for computer class this week. Look forward to seeing you. I'm doing this on Wednesday, so I'm hoping that the snow is a joke and we don't get it. But if we do get it and we don't have school on Thursday and or Friday, we'll see you next week. Hopefully, I'll see you on Thursday and Friday this week. Have a great day. Have a great week. And I'll see you soon, guys.